Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Free Sunday Igboho! Now! Free Sunday Igboho! Now! Free Sunday Igboho! Now! Free Sunday Igboho!
Osa! 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 Free Sunday Igboho! Now! Free Sunday Igboho! Now! Free Igboho! Now! Free Igboho! Now! Free Igboho! Osa! 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 Sunday ò ṣe pa.
To free Sunday Igboho now. To free Sunday Igboho, we want federal government to free Sunday Igboho to remove his name from wanted list and from stop list. And they should release our boys that they have been detained since like three weeks ago. Both Abuja and Lagos. Please, we are urging federal government they should please.
Yes.
They should hear our voice. They should hear 70 million Yoruba voice.
Begging all of our Obas in Yoruba land, we are begging you, Baba Oba, we are begging all of you, please come to Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho said, speak for Chief Sunday Igboho Adeyemo. Igboho is never a criminal. Igboho is never a rapper. Igboho is never a bandit. So please, he's never a terrorist. We are begging, we are pleading.